What do you think of the trip so far?
I'll phone a friend if you don't mind.
Oh, I might go 50-50. Ask the audience.
Oh, I might ask the audience.
Gwen,
I've run out of things to say.
got some money to put in a little coin box.
Oh, yeah.
What are you playing with in your pocket? Get your hands out of your pocket. You've had your pocket.
Cigarettes back.
John, last words.
Thoroughly enjoyed it.
I enjoyed sleeping with him and him. Wait, apparently you've got to put some last words on tape. Happy days!
Gary? Enjoy it.
Come on, man.
I mean, you know.
Great week. Didn't need Claire.